for my Web 2.0 Smackdown, I decided to do Google Forms. To find Google Forms, you would go to Google, go to where the Google apps are, click down through the menu, and it'll be down here. It's a little purple icon that says Forms. Click on that, and then it'll bring you to a bunch of different choices. You can do a blank one, you can do an assessment, a blank quiz, an exit ticket, a worksheet, a course evaluation. A blank one would be used for surveys or asking questions after a meeting or a conference to get feedback. So this is what an assessment would look like on Google Forms. So the person would put their name and their email, and then you would have your quiz questions. You can do many different types of quiz questions. You can add more than one question. You can add a title and description to the question. You could add images to the questions, videos, and you can make different sections. Many teachers are using this in the classroom now because they're quick and easy, and with the Chromebooks that the kids are using, everyone's now using Google Classroom, so this is an easy way to create a quiz or an exit ticket or worksheet for the students to do in the classroom. So here's what a blank one looks like. So here you would write the title of what you are doing, and then here you would write a question. You can have different types of questions. You can do a short answer, a paragraph, multiple choice, checkboxes, drop downs. You can upload a file for someone to read. You could ask a question based on a linear scale. You could do multiple choice grid. You do checkbox grid, and you put date and time on the questions. Now, when the questions are done, you will get responses, which will show over here. So I will show you one that I already have done for a previous class. So this was my assessment. I had someone put their first name, their last name, the last 4 digits of their phone number, their email, and then I asked a bunch of different questions. And these questions were all multiple choice. So all they had to do was click the answer, and then they could submit it at the end. And then as they responded, I got emails that they responded, and it shows up what they got and how many got each question. So as you see here, 4 people got this one answer, and 20%, which is one person, got this answer. So it'll break it down to you to see what percentage of students are getting the questions right. And also another feature when you do it is you want to make the questions required. This allows the students to make sure they do them, and they can't skip them. They can't submit it without answering the question. So always make sure this is required. And then if you don't like the question, you could delete it, or you could duplicate the question. And then you can preview it. You can customize what it looks like to make it more fun. But other than that, that is Google Forms, and I hope you like my screencast.